Ha baby, si na një lately, shkundi muj së pom, edhe dhe I treti. Sanet po ndrojnë të munu më koni njeti. Thoj është jam, jam a jo bashiketi. Leti shoqet që të thujnë si av leti. Shpejtit harojnë si t'bojnë frerë për veti. Mas leti I shkon mi dhonë fun ma para se me pas.
Hey guys, this is Shalini here and welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm gonna talk about the new launch by Maybelline, and I have got few of them, so I was like, come on, just sit down and talk to you guys, put my thought about it, whether I like it or not. So today I'm going to talk about a Maybelline Camo Color Correcting Kit. Then I'm going to talk about a highlighter, which is I think a metallic highlighter by them. And then the last but not the least is a Big Shot Volume Express Mascara. And if you're new to the channel, make sure you go and hit the like button as well as do like, share, subscribe, all of that stuff. We have just completed a 2K subscriber and I'm so much happy with that. Thank you for so much of the love and support from you guys, and yeah, I love you. You are just my second family. So without gambling up a lot, let's get started with this video. So the first product which I'm going to talk about is a Maybelline Camo Color Correcting Kit. So okay, frankly speaking, I haven't bought that kit with me because I bought it like I was searching it from like Nykaa, and I have come across that only the two shades were available there. One is the fair one and next one is the medium, and the price range was $9.99 at Amazon. And I was really very disappointed by knowing like why Maybelline have come across with only the two variant in color correcting kit, because as you know that Maybelline has a wide range of foundation, like 30 shades of foundation, Fit Me foundation, and I was really very in shock like why Maybelline would do like this. Why would they be only launched only the two shades by color correcting? So to fix that out, and I need to know whether they are the only two shades available or they have a sort of some more shades which is especially for the deepest skin tone. And as I just done a little bit of searching here and there, I came across like they have a 3 different shade, which is fair, medium and the dark. But the dark shade wasn't available in India. That was really very ridiculous for me, because I feel like basically we Indian skin tone, we especially our Indian skin tone would obviously need a dark color correcting kit, because whether you belong to fair, wheaty, dusty skin tone, you obviously need one shade in that kit, which is a orange shade, which will perfect to, you know, hide up your darkest part of your face, your pigmentation, your marks and everything. And I was so much disappointed that the darkest shade was not available. I was like, okay, that is not gonna be like why they did that. I was not at all like satisfied with that. So the next thing which I searched a little bit on Amazon, and I came across that the darkest shade was available at Amazon and the price was like hilarious. It cost you $14.99 for the dark shade of palette, and I do not feel worth it, because $15.99 for like the darkest shade. Why they have done that kind of price range, kind of sort of like why the darkest shade always be so much costly? First of all, it was not available on India, and next we go and search it on Amazon and it's cost like $14.99. I do not find it worth it, so I do not get that. Frankly speaking, the orange shade is very much important if you belong to an Indian skin tone, whether you belong to a fair skin tone. I basically feel that if you want to color correct your face, the only one shade you need to buy is the orange corrector, and you will not require a peach, green, lavender kind of color correcting, because I think that only one shade of corrector will be perfect for the Indian skin tone. And I was so much disappointed. I'm gonna list the picture onto the screen so that you can see a lighter and the medium shade and the darkest shade, which cost $14.99. So that is really very disappointed for me. I don't know why they haven't launched the darkest shade. I feel like if they want to launch the shade, I will not prefer obviously. In my thought, I would love to launch medium and the dark tone, because dark tone is perfect for the Indian skin tone. I don't know why they have launched the fair and the medium, which do not have any sort of value to be launched in India. I was disappointed at that certain point of time. So yeah, this is the first product which I need to discuss from you guys, and that is what. The next product which I'm going to talk about is one of like wild highlighter, wild drugstore highlighter. I'm going to talk about this. This is a Master Chrome by Maybelline. This is a metallic highlighter. One shade available in India, which is I think a molten gold. So the only one shade was available. I think the two shades they have here, I'm not so much confirmed about it, like how many shades they have. So I think they have a molten rose gold as well as this molten gold, which is available only in India. So this is what it looks like. We get 6.7 gram of a product here, although we have 4 years of warranty with this usage. We have a 4 year of usage with this product. So that is what. The next thing which is really important here, as being as a drugstore highlighter, especially a Maybelline is full on so affordable product, like so affordable brand, that I always have like 100% thumbs up. When I saw that it was launched, I was so much excited when I see their website and every stuff, and it looks so hilarious, so good, so much good, and so much of blinding. I was so much excited. When I just have a thought in my mind that how much would that cost, I was like, chalo, I think might be 600, not more than 600, but you won't believe when I saw the pricing of this in India, I was like shook. That is one thing I just want to say, shook. It's only cost 550 guys, 550. Like wow. It only cost you 550 with this. If you want a highlighter in your budget and you want to roll on, you want to look wow, so I would really be like totally clear, just go through this highlighter. I'm having it on my face right now. I haven't done like a little bit loud with the highlighter today. I was just like, chalo, aaj subtle rehne do, I don't need so much. So I have applied this highlighter. The texture of this, guys, is like amazing. Let me swatch it for you guys here. Just look at that bomb. Like, what is this? Like, wow. We don't need any highlighter, and I think this is gonna be one of my favorite highlighter. This is like amazing. It do not feel chunky. It just settles into your face so well. It will also be perfect for Indian skin tone. But though if you are like in the range of my skin tone, this is like a bomb for you. I love the texture of it. I love the finish of it. I love it. Do not have any sort of smell. It's a blinding highlighter. It just settles and sits and melts into your skin so much, and the pop of kick you get is like amazing. And I will highly recommend you can go and pop this up. This is amazing, and you're gonna be loving it so much. That is the best highlighter I have ever come across, like a drugstore. Best. So let's move on with the next but not the least product. This is the Maybelline the Colossal Big Shot Volume Express Mascara. Oh my, though I love the packaging, it comes with a gold which is really very different, and it makes it different from everything. So I really love that. The price range they have is so much affordable. This is what they have, everything, just they keep everything in their mind. This mascara cost you 499 rupees, and we get 9.5 ml of a product here, as well as 4 years of usage with this product. One of the best thing which I love about the Maybelline mascaras is that they have two different kind of a variant. One is the waterproof and one is a washable. I got it in a waterproof, girl.
Come on, we girls used to have a lot of drama. We get emotional, we get happy, we smudge our face, we smudge our eyes, we smudge everything, right? Okay, so we need to have a waterproof mascara. Basically, I will suggest you, especially for the girls, when you go with the waterproof mascara. I don't like to look like panda, and we don't want us to look like panda, okay? We cry a lot, we get emotional, we get attached, and we have a lot of drama. So whatever, I don't want to ruin my face, so better you get a waterproof mascara.
So this is what I got it. I am absolutely, this is gonna be one of my favorite. Again, by this, I don't know how much I have a favorite, but this was like one of them. I love the wand. It has a very small bristles at the top, and at the bottom we get a little bit lengther mascara. I feel this wand is really very perfect to get work at the inner section of your lashes as well as the outer, and it will be obviously be perfect for the like a lower lashes. I basically love that. The texture and the formulation of this is really very good. It's also give you a volumize your mascara. mascara. It will also voluminize your lashes as well as lengthen it. The next thing which I basically come across with mascara is that it do not clumps. It do not do like a clumsy thing. Every sort of hair just stuck and it clumps your look. No, it's do not have that kind of feelings, which I absolutely love. The next thing I love is that how good it length and voluminize. I will list the video onto my screen so that you can see how good that looks. Like amazing, like you can see the differences before and the after. It looks amazing. It's really very good, though it's really very affordable. 440 for was sort of mascara. I think that is something which is totally affordable. I think you should go and grab this, having sought any doubt. So yeah, that is my thought and opinion about these new launches by Maybelline. I will highly suggest you to go and buy these two things because guys, this is 550, this is 449. I think these two will be one of your favorite mascara and highlighter. You will gonna love it so much. So I will highly suggest you can go and buy these two things. This is two of my favorite by Maybelline recently. So yeah, this is what I'm gonna talk about. And yeah, that is for today's video. I hope you have really loved and enjoyed. Make sure you hit the like button, hit the subscribe button, like, share, comments, whatever you feel like you can do it. You can suggest me anything, you can share whatever you wish to. I'm gonna hear it. I'm not gonna neglect it, right? I'm gonna hear whatever you see, whatever you speak, and every sort of thing. And yeah, I'm gonna see you in the next video. Till then, bye bye.